Hi, this is Chelsea Lovett with CorporateProfile.com. We have exciting news for our hot stock pick, Macrosolve, ticker symbol MCVE on the bulletin board. Macrosolve just announced it has been issued a landmark mobile app patent, revolutionizing the use of smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. The patent addresses mobile apps across all wireless networks, devices, and carriers. Macrosolve is a leader in the super fast-growing mobile business app market, and now with this patent, the company is positioned to capture a greater share, what is projected to become a $1 trillion global industry. The company is immediately pursuing monetizing its landmark patent. Macrosolve is now in talks with large mobile companies for licensing agreements. This patent, platform-agnostic technology, empowers mobile app developers and non-technical people alike to create and distribute their own businesses and personal apps across all devices and all networks. This is a revolutionary change, a huge patent that Macrosolve is immediately set to monetize. This is the reason why Macrosolve, ticker symbol MCVE on the bulletin board, is definitely a buy. Again, this was Chelsea Lovett with CorporateProfile.com reporting from Wall Street. Thank you for watching, and please tune in again for more hot financial news.